Welcome to the Hands-on Manufacturing Excellence course. What we have here is 60 participants of ASML, KMWA, MSD, MTA and DAF, all working together in this training to improve their manufacturing excellence skills.
The Hands-on MEC is a training for professionals from the industry in the Brainport region, where they come together and learn basically how to improve processes in their own workplace. Do it by means of a simulation. And in that industrial simulation, they will basically use all kinds of practices from Lean Six Sigma.
Working together with the government, with educational institutes, with companies, working together and to become a better Brainport region for the whole country and the whole Europe.
What is unique about this course is that it puts practice first.
I really believe in a hands-on approach, because then you do it yourself. We must be front-runner on this niche market. And we must stay front-runner, and that's why I believe in the kind of MEC training.
But also the energy in which they radiate is also, I think, nice to be part of. We have lectures, we have coaches, we have meetings, so it's really hands-on. But we try to bring together the hands-on part with the theoretical part, and I guess that's really unique, so that we combine both. But bringing those together, to bring it to a higher level altogether, I guess that's the unique part of this MEC course.
This definitely will come in useful, because my daily work consists of analyzing the data, a lot of numbers, lead times, doing value stream mapping and using all the lean tools. So definitely I will use all of these tools which are actually taught to us here.
This is really good on Lean Six Sigma tools, and if you never try them, go follow this training and everything will be clear and you have a lot of fun.
It in itself is already a fun activity which basically elevates the rest. What's not to like? Yeah.
Also in the real world, all these different disciplines need to work together to get the continuous improvement in factories. And now for 8 days in this training program, they can get real hands-on experience on how to apply the tools and learn on the human dynamics side what it really takes to get your processes to the best level.
Ja, mooi.